Hello, good morning, students. In the last lecture, we had studied about nomenclature of organic compounds containing many functional groups, that is, a polyfunctional organic compounds. Today, we will study about IUPAC nomenclature of substituted benzene. First, we will study IUPAC nomenclature of monosubstituted benzene means one substituent, one side chain is present in the benzene ring. So this in this nomenclature the substituent name it is given before the name of benzene, that is a prefix. For example, in the benzene ring chlorine group is present, then it is named as a chlorobenzene. If nitro group is present in the benzene, then named as a nitrobenzene. If the bromine group is present, then it is called as a bromobenzene. Iodine group is present in the benzene called as iodobenzene. Then if tertiary butyl group is present in the benzene, then named as a tertiary butyl benzene. So these are the names of the monosubstituted benzene. They are given as a prefix in the name, but there are some examples in which the trivial names means common names are given to monosubstituted benzene and they are considered accepted, universally accepted in IUPAC nomenclature. For example, this methyl group is substituted in the benzene. The name is given as a methyl benzene or commonly also called as a toluene. So remember this name well. We are using many times this nomenclature in IUPAC names. Then NH2 group is present in the benzene ring. Then it is named as a aminobenzene according to prefix, but the trivial or the common name given as aniline. Similarly, OH as a functional group present in the benzene, then name given as a hydroxybenzene or commonly called as a phenol. So many times instead of hydroxybenzene, we will use the common name as a phenol in both IUPAC and the common name system. Then if OCH3 group is present, then we know OCH3 is a methoxy. So it is a methoxybenzene, commonly called as a anisole. Aldehyde functional group is present in the benzene called as a benzaldehyde. And if carboxylic acid group is present in the benzene called as a benzoic acid. So these are the some common names used in IUPAC nomenclature as a toluene, aniline, phenol, anisole, benzaldehyde, and benzoic acid. Remember these names. We are using these names many times in IUPAC system. If the alkyl substituent is larger than the benzene ring, then means 7 or more than 7 carbon atoms, then this benzene ring is considered as a side chain and name can be given as a phenyl substituted alkane. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon containing long chain of carbon. It is considered as a parent chain and the side chain here is considered as a benzene ring, and benzene ring when it is side chain it is named as a phenyl. It is present on second carbon, hence the correct IUPAC name will be 2-phenyl heptane. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms present, and in the benzene ring also there are 6 carbon atoms are present. If more than 6 carbon atoms are present, then it is considered as a parent chain or the parent organic compound. Here the benzene is considered as a parent organic compound, and this 6 carbon containing long chain, this is called as a hexyl alkyl group and the name given as a hexyl benzene. Now we will consider some examples in which to the side chain one more functional group is present. Here, this is a benzene ring bonded with CH2, CH2, CH2 and Cl. Here the Cl is a functional group and benzene ring as a substituent. So here the 3 carbon containing chain is propane, 1 carbon contains chloro as a functional group and third carbon contains phenyl, and the correct name is 1 chloro 3 phenyl propane. Second example is here OH is a functional group. Now phenyl is considered as a substituent and the name can be given as phenyl methanol. 1 carbon containing alcohol is a methanol and side chain is phenyl. Then here the CO, that is a ketonic functional group, and the side chain or the substituent is a phenyl. So it is 1 phenyl ethanone. Ethanone is a ketone containing 2 carbon atoms. So in this way, the names of monosubstituted benzene can be given. Now we will consider the examples of disubstituted benzene derivative, how their names are given. Before this, we have to remember this well that if any one functional group is present in the benzene ring, starting from that position of carbon, the numbering is given generally according to clockwise manner. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clockwise manner. Here, the 1 and 2 position contains the chlorine and chloro, if it is given as a in the IUPAC nomenclature as a prefix, then it is called as a chloro. So it is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Then the next example is 1,3-dichlorobenzene. Remember again well that if 1 and 2 position, they are called as a ortho position, 1 and 3 called as a meta position, 1 and 4 called as a para position. So 1,2-dichlorobenzene can also be called as a ortho-dichlorobenzene, 1 and 3 called as a meta, hence 1,3-dichlorobenzene can be named as a meta-dichlorobenzene. If it is 1,4 position, then called as a para position. So name can be given either as a 1,4-dichlorobenzene or para-dichlorobenzene. If two substituents are different, then their names are given according to alphabetical order. Here, the iodine and the bromo, iodo and bromo. Here, the bromo comes first and therefore at the position of bromine, the carbon is given as a number 1 and iodine given will be the next number according to clockwise or this anti-clockwise manner, which is near to this carbon number 1. So it is 1 bromo 4 iodobenzene and 1,4 we called as a para. So it is a para bromo iodobenzene. Then here is a nitro and chloro in alphabetical order. The chloro comes first, therefore 1 chloro 3 nitrobenzene and 1 3 is called as a meta, therefore meta chloro nitrobenzene. So in this way, names of the disubstituted benzene can be given. Here are the some examples. NH2 is amino and Cl is the chloro, and we know benzene with amino group is commonly called as aniline. So it is given as a number 1 and chloro is present at carbon 2. So it is a 2-chloro aniline or orthochloro aniline. Then it is methyl group is present in the benzene ring, can be named as a toluene, and carbon number 3 contains nitro group, so it is 3 nitro toluene and 1 3 position called as a meta, hence the name can be given as meta nitro toluene. The next example of this type is OH group containing benzene ring, it is named as a phenol, and fourth position there is a bromine, therefore 4-bromophenol or para-bromophenol, the name is given. Then the last type is trisubstituted benzene derivatives. In the trisubstituted benzene derivatives, here the bromo, bromo and bromo, 3 bromo are present. The minimum number is given for the substituent. So it is 1, 2, 4 tribromo benzene. Here the chloro and nitro groups are present. So alphabetical order here is the chloro, which is present on carbon number 1, and then minimum number is given for substituted carbon. So it is 1 chloro 2,4 dinitrobenzene. Then bromine and methyl methyl containing functional group. According to alphabetical order, bromine comes first, and here methyl and methyl, 2 methyl adjacent, therefore minimum number is given to 1 2 3 4 like this. So 4 bromo 1 2 dimethyl benzene. Next example is here the chloro is present according to alphabetical order, and numbering is given from methyl group 1 2 3 4. So it is 2 chloro 1 methyl 4 nitrobenzene. Next example is 2 chloro 4 nitro phenol. Then aniline containing NH2 group. It is 2,4,6 tribromo aniline. Then chloro, methoxy and methyl group. Methoxy group containing benzene called as anisole. So it is 2 chloro 4 methyl anisole. In this way, the nomenclature of aromatic compounds containing one substituent, two substituent, or three substituent names can be given. So that is about the nomenclature of aromatic compound containing one or more substituents. Thank you.